Look at this space. This is incredible in terms of maximizing the floor area of the property. Hi, this is Jake Bautista and we'd like to welcome you to a brand new MetroGuide Realty house tour. Today we are presenting a modern, great value townhome development for sale located here in Marikina City, Metro Manila. So right now we're going to take a look at these two townhomes, but they have an identical layout. So we're going to take a look at this unit. So this is Unit A and Unit B, and here are their corresponding lot and floor areas. Now, let's begin by taking a look at the parking area, which is spacious enough for two vehicles. It's partially covered right here. You already have a steel gate. And you have a modern facade. Come on, let's go. Here you have the main entry. And now, welcome to your beautiful home. You have an open layout for your living and dining space. So you can have your living room set on this side. And then there's ample space here if you want to have a dining set. So it's up to you how you want to arrange it. But it's a nice open layout. And you have this open space here giving you a view of your main kitchen. Your kitchen is quite spacious with a nice countertop area and a kitchen branded stainless steel range hood already. And I like how well organized the entire space is. Of course, in terms of where you will put your oven, we can easily have this cut by the developer if you would like to have a stove placed right here. And from your kitchen space, have a first bathroom. So this already has a shower head. So this can be excellent for guests as well. And then on this side, you have an open area, which is a light well. So this gives light and ventilation for the ground level and the second floor, and you can maximize the space as the laundry area and a drying area also for clothes. You can potentially also have this covered after you purchase the property in the future. And then right here you have your staff room. So this is large enough to have a single bed, and it already has its own bathroom. In addition, you also have your circuit breakers here for easy access. So this is a great open layout. Just to give you a recap, you can see your guests from your kitchen area and you have a view of your dining and living space. Now let's head on up towards the second level, and you have this nice additional design for your staircase. For safety, at the same time, it's a nice aesthetic, and underneath the stairs is also maximized with additional storage. So the property just finished construction, that's why you still have this covering for the stairs. We're here at the second level, and let's begin by taking a look at your primary bedroom. So this is a great space in terms of the size, based on the size of the lot and the floor area. You have plenty of storage already built in. And even a nice display area right here. So it's up to you. You can have your bed on this side and then the television on the other side. And you have additional storage right here. And here you have your primary bathroom. I love how they were able to maximize the space here to still have a dual vanity sink space with a large mirror and of course your bathroom area right here. So you have floor to ceiling tiling, ventilation, and even an additional window. You also have a nice Juliet balcony for your master bedroom. So this is a nice area to add additional ventilation to your master bedroom. You also have a fire escape ladder right here. This isn't easily accessible from the ground floor, but this is just for emergency purposes. And it's also important that the designers kept your safety in mind in the design of the home. Right here you have your second bedroom. I like the size of this bedroom also. You can have a queen-sized bed here. And it's facing the front of the house, and you have additional storage as well. You have built-in cabinetry already. And here you have your third bedroom. So this room would fit more of a single bed, but what's nice is there's already built-in cabinetry included as well. If you don't need all three bedrooms, you just need two. This would make a fantastic home office as well. Or even additional closet space if you just want to make this entire room a storage room. And this is what I was talking about. You have a view of your light well so that even the additional bedrooms have accessibility to light and ventilation. Here you have a shared bathroom between your second and third rooms. So nice size also. The bathroom doesn't feel cramped at all. It's a good space. And you even have built-in recessed spaces here for toiletries. And now it's time to explore the third level of this home, and you're in for a great surprise. Let's go. Welcome to the third floor of this home. And there's even potential here to have an additional light fixture if you want a design aesthetic here. And welcome to your third level roof deck. at this space. This is incredible in terms of maximizing the floor area of the property. You can easily have parties, get-togethers, a nice area to exercise, meditate, lounge. You can do gardening here for potted plants. You can potentially have some vines and plants here that are flowering to add to the aesthetic of the trellis here. And just check out that size of the space. And I also like the railing, that it's very sturdy and it's a very good height also. In addition, in front of the house, of course you can show it, there isn't a third level structure, so you have a lot of privacy as well. In addition, from the street, you can't even view that there's an area like this. So it's excellent in terms of privacy. And on top of that, if you have guests, you already have a bathroom built in here. And just when I thought it was already complete, you even have an additional pocket space here. And let me tell you, the area here in Marikina, it's in the elevated part of Marikina, so there's no problem in terms of flooding in the space. And there's even potential in the future to have this covered with polycarbonate or glass. But that's already up to you after you purchase the home. And that caps off our quick house tour. If you want to know more about this property or visit it in person, just click the description below where you can get in touch with us to our email and number shown there. You can also send us a message to Instagram, Facebook, and now also on TikTok. And if you have a property you'd like to feature through our channel, you can send us an email at metroguiderealty@gmail.com. Once again, my name is Jake Bautista. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you clarity, quality, and convenience in finding a great Metro Manila home for you and your family.
Contact us today in the email and number shown here to schedule a property viewing. You can also click the description below for the property details. Don't forget to click that subscribe button so that you can get notified of our future videos. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to bringing you and your family a great Metro Manila home.